From our New York station, WABC, is right here with the latest on what to expect. Good morning, Brittany.
Good morning, Gio. And this storm could be dangerous for some. In Florida, you are up first right now. That's in the Gulf, bringing light rain for now, but that rain just gets heavier. Look at all of these alerts. We have a wind advisory, also a flood watch. Rainfall totals could range between 3 to 6 inches. We also could see gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Let's time this out. That rain gets more intense in Florida throughout this afternoon. And then by tomorrow morning, from Macon all the way towards Charleston, you are waking up to the brunt of this heavy rainfall. By Sunday evening, just after sunset, those downpours stretching from Raleigh, Washington, D.C., and then look Sunday night towards Monday morning, right around the time for your morning commute, just intense downpours, and this will likely slow you down and also impact travel.
Another weekend washout. All right, well, brace for that, Brittany. Thank you. WABC, and we are expecting another weekend full of rain.
Right, just a mess. And even the early stages of this storm already caused some major issues yesterday. This is what it did in Ormond Beach, Florida on Friday. You can see just the high swells, also the rough surf. So in addition to that threat for heavy rainfall, we're also watching out for that potential for severe weather. You can see that highest severe threat that stretches from Jacksonville all the way down towards Miami. You can see damaging winds, even the potential for a few isolated tornadoes. And that severe threat is a bit higher this morning for South Carolina, also North Carolina. Once again, a flood threat, damaging winds, and a few isolated tornadoes stretching from Charleston, Wilmington, all the way down up towards Greenville. Now, this is a look at these rainfall totals that could lead to some issues of localized flooding. We could see rain between 2 to 4 inches, higher totals near 4 to 6 inches. That's what's happening across the country. Here's what's going on in your neighborhood. That's your local forecast. Back to you guys.
All right, Brittany, thank you so much for that. Now we're going to turn to
Bell. Good morning.
Good morning. So I'm sure a lot of you have noticed it really doesn't feel like December right now, and that is right. You can see temperatures have been unseasonably warm, and that will continue over the next few days. You can see in Raleigh a high of 57 on Sunday. Boston, you could break a record later in the week. But off to the west, it's hot right now, but there's a big pattern change on the way. So Sunday into Monday, you'll have that first batch of rain moving on to the north, and then another round of rain Tuesday into Wednesday that could dump between 1 to 4 inches. Here's a look at those totals across the entire state. On the lower end, those totals will range between 1 to 2 inches. The higher totals 2 to 4, and some of the higher elevations could pick up around 3 to 6 inches of snowfall. That's what's happening across the country. Here's what's going on in your neighborhood. I mean, I'm not really complaining about warmer temperatures, but it will be nice to get maybe a few snowflakes around Christmas time.
I like that.
Not a bad look.
Not too bad.
Manageable.
And then let's get warmer again. Thank you, Brittany. Coming up here on